Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of the Fluffy Unicorn Dance Break. Now my name's Nick and this is gorgeous Hayley over here and this is our best friend Fluffy. Did you just do a Fluffy?
No, it wasn't me. I think that was Hayley.
It wasn't me. It smells like cupcakes, you smelly horse.
Horse? Who are you calling a horse? I'm a magical unicorn, thank you very much. You take that back straight away.
If you're so magical, make a butterfly appear.
Okay then.
Wow, look at that awesome butterfly.
Maybe a rainbow this time.
Okie dokie.
Wow, look
Oh.
at that beautiful rainbow.
Fluffy, you are so magical. We love you. Now, we're going to have to make some room, Fluffy, so why don't you go and sit down over there
Okie
while we
dokie.
make some cool slime. Alrighty, so for today's awesome glow-in-the-dark Fluffy Unicorn slime, we're going to be using some clear glue, like our last one. We're also going to be using our activator again. We're going to be using our glow-in-the-dark, sparkly pink glue. And we've also got some pink pigment just to make it even cooler and even more pink. And the special ingredient, fluffy foam beads. Just to give it a little bit of extra fluff. All right.
And pop.
Now, do you want to do the honors? Get the spoon out, my dear. Can I do the honors, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Ready? This is my favorite part. Whoa! Should we make a big batch?
A huge batch, yeah.
Oh, huge batch. Whoa. Long pop. Next ingredient. No.
Blue.
Yeah. Why do I always get that wrong?
Or should we add some pigment first?
Let's add
go
some
with the
pigment. Yeah, let's do some pigment.
I'll only give it a little tap.
Yep. Or can I get the little tap on the bottom? Oh, tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Oh,
Oopsie.
whoopsie. Look at what we have created. Here we go. Quick mix around. All right, that's cool. That is
that's
absolutely
so metallic.
amazing. Metallic.
Show them.
Look at this.
Now that
So
is what
metallic.
you call metallic.
That is just spectacular. Alrighty, next ingredient. This?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we're gonna add the full bottle since we made so much slime.
Okay.
Oh, it is sort of heavy.
Yeah, let's give it a big. Yes. Come on, muscles. You got any muscles in these arms?
Yes.
Where's your
I
muscles?
got baby egg.
With all my might. Activation, please.
That's good.
Yep.
Just for this.
Remember, when you're mixing your cake, you have to mix your whole body. If you're not mixing your whole body, you're just not mixing the cake right, baby. Hayley, sing me a song while I mix. Sing me a song about fluffy unicorns, please.
The fluffy unicorn.
The slime you can see is starting to make happen. We're making beautiful strawberry ice cream slime. It really is special. Look at this, okay?
Really something.
You just keep adding the activator till it starts to get
Oh.
sticky and gooey, and then you've got to get it in your hands,
Really?
which is fun. And mix it around, and that's when it starts to really happen, isn't it, Hayley?
Yeah.
That's the best part, isn't it? Could be one of our best slimes ever. If you didn't see our first Fluffy Unicorn episode, it went viral. So thanks to everyone who watched our first episode. It was fantastic. We had so much fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what you wanted, wasn't it? The perfect slime. And we've done it again.
Done it again.
You think we are possibly the best slime experts in the world?
I think one of them.
Yeah? Yeah. Not the best, but one of the best?
Yeah.
I think we must be close to being the best slimers.
I think we're probably the second or the third.
Equal second, third.
Second and third.
Foam beads.
How many do you think?
I don't know.
Well, like
A couple of handfuls.
Alright, one more.
Yep.
Oh, be careful.
It's all right.
This is
That's perfect. Yep. That's great.
oh.
That's fantastic. Let's fold it over again. Keep folding.
Oh, look at that.
What are they doing?
It's
Oh.
cracking.
Ah.
Oh, can I feel it?
That's
Do you
got
guys
some.
hear that crunch?
Hear that crunch? It's all about the crunch. If you get good crunch, you know you've made good slime. Got good poke?
Yeah.
Excellent poke. Hear that poke?
Wait,
How's
but
the
the
texture?
question is, can it make bubbles?
Okay.
Alright, so first you gotta like flatten it out. Alright, ready? It makes like a few. Oh, now this makes bubbles.
Look.
Alright,
I can
Yeah.
see. Look, it's a bubble.
you have half an hour.
All right, let's see who can make the best stretch. Ready? Look at this. Let's see who can do the biggest stretch. Mine's bigger.
Your arms are bigger.
That
arms
is
are longer.
good slime.
If
This
your
is.
arms were shorter than mine.
Do we need more activator or is that perfect?
I have a feeling it's perfect. I'm just gonna add a bit more foam beads.
Okay.
Because I want extra.
All right, and then we've got. And then you know what we've got to do?
Wow.
We've got to activate the glow in the dark, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 minute. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once Haley's finished up with her foam bead, a few more foam beads mine as well. Oh, dropped a few. Oh, they're sticking in my hand. Ah, foam beads are getting away. Hey, come back. Hey, wait. Hey.
Careful, you're gonna knock off the table.
You know what else you can do with foam beads, which is really cool?
What?
Watch this, right? Watch these foam beads. I'll show you how I can make them disappear. Ready? You watching?
Mm.
Watch, I'll make it. I'm what?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for a dance party?
Let's do it.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일
Guys, part of it is glowing in the dark.
This is the glow in the dark slime.
Oh man.
Have a look at it.
Oh man.
Look at that. It's like a galaxy. It's like pink and green. It's like unicorn poo.
Oh yeah.
Hold it up here again.
Let me try to make some.
Look at that.
Oh, guess what I just noticed?
Look at this.
The glow in the dark bottle is also glowing.
Isn't that absolutely awesome? Glow in the dark. Who would have thought? Alright everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for tuning in to the Fluffy Unicorn. What? I broke. Let me try it again. The Fluffy Unicorn. See you next time.
Bye.